Why would a successful producing agent want to work for you? That's a common question that I get from real estate company owners when I'm training them how to recruit producing agents. They say, why would a producing successful agent want to work for little old me? Well, you know what? That's the same question the company owner at the company they're at now is asking himself. The number one complaint that I hear from my coaching students, my agents, thousands of agents, they say, the company I work for doesn't care about me. It's not, they're not offering him leads or all kinds of stuff, little doodads. They don't care about me. If you are recruiting fewer agents than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help, please go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com today. Call me anytime, 480-385-8810. That's my cell phone. Let's have a chat about your company, your business, your ability to recruit producing agents. There won't be any high pressure. I don't have anything to sell you. I just want to help you. And if what we do at fearlessagentrecruiting.com and what you're trying to do, if it's a good fit, then maybe we can end up doing business together. But please call me today. I'd love to help you. Thanks.